Megan here with WTI, and this faux fur blanket by BATTILO has exceeded my expectations in quality and comfort. The faux fur side is so luxurious. I absolutely love how it looks, as well as how soft it is. Even my dog was in love with it, and she couldn't stop rolling around in it. And let me tell you the bonus. The bonus is that the inside of the blanket is a velvety feel. It is so comfortable. I love that it's oversized, so it's definitely easy to pull over on top of you or wrap around you. The blanket comes in multiple colors, and I'm telling you, you will be obsessed with how soft this blanket is. It is so luxurious looking. It would be perfect for a gift. Honestly, do yourself a favor and grab one of these faux fur blankets by BATTILO, and that's my point of view.